Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to generate $500 a week with a passive income. Now, if you're a student like me, or you're just somebody that is maybe struggling with money at the moment, you guys would probably relate when I say just a few $100s here and there would change your life. Now, the good news is we're going to be talking about making more than even $100 just here and there. It's the little things here and there, like going to the grocery store and being able to buy a little bit more than you usually would. Now, if that sounds appealing, what if I told you you are just steps away from maybe having your dream apartment, dream house, dream car, or dream anything? This is something that is definitely achievable for you guys, and I'm here to encourage you through this. So I've come up with sort of a plan on how to develop a passive income for yourself. Now, I would define a passive income as you work a few times here and there, and then you make money in the future from the work that you've done in the past. My brother Matt has a few YouTube channels, and his main one is Make Money Matt, and he shared with me a plan on how he was able to make money so young, while still in high school even. And he became a millionaire before he even hit 20, which is crazy. So he shared some tips and tricks with me, and I'm gonna be going through these. And something important to note with a passive income is you aren't trading time for money, meaning you are not being paid by the hour. Because there are jobs in the past where I have had to go in and then you get paid a certain amount every hour. This is not the case. Now, when we make money, people pay us because they value our work. Whether that be, like I said, going into work, or maybe even creating a YouTube channel where people enjoy our content, our value that we're relying. So if we look at money this way, we can see that making money is quite simple, the concept of it. Now, we want to kind of learn how to create value that lives on, that makes us money, but we're not continuously working on this at all hours of the day. And you might be thinking, Kayla, how in the world do we even do this? This passive income thing just isn't making sense yet. Well, I might have found a bit of a solution for this. We're gonna call this solution an Evergreen Content Engine. Now, what exactly is this? That sounds like a mouthful, right? Well, we're going to find ways to make monetizable content, meaning making content that is actively making us money. And I mentioned this is an Evergreen Content Engine. But what is Evergreen? Do not confuse it with Taylor Swift's Evermore album. If anybody likes Taylor Swift, I don't know. That really didn't make sense. So we're creating evergreen content, right? And evergreen content means that we create this content and it's going to make us money for years into the future, which is essentially a passive income, right? And I know that this whole content engine thing, like I said, sounds like a mouthful, but it's really not that complicated at all. And I would also like to say, you will not just automatically start making money overnight by doing these strategies that I'm about to go through, but I can guarantee you guys that it is possible to make money from this Evergreen Content Engine in the long run. Just like most of the money that people make while working online, they don't receive this money right away. And I'm talking about like making courses or YouTube videos. These YouTube videos are not going to just magically make you money if you just post on YouTube. There is strategy behind these types of things. So with that, we're going to start going through how an Evergreen Content Engine would work and how it would actually make us money. So there are going to be a few steps to our plan. Starting, of course, with step 1. So our first step is to, of course, pick a niche. And if you're not familiar with what a niche is within content, it is just a specific category or theme that our business is going to revolve around. And now there is a trick to this. There are some niches that do better than other niches. And these would be niches such as wealth, happiness, relationships, health, and finance. And I say that these are the best niches to pick from because you kind of have an advantage in the money area, as there is more of a market for these niches. There are more people that want to see more of this niche. And also there are a lot of problems to be solved within these niches, such as finance, like how do we make money online, which is why you're here. So we are solving different problems in these niches, which helps people. And we want to help people, of course, with a business. You also want to make sure that you pick a niche that relates to your interests as well, as this is going to be a business that you're running. You want to make sure that the work you're doing is enjoyable for you. So, like I said, we want the niche that we pick to help people and bring people in, but we also want to make sure that it is going to make money. But how can we ensure that? We can ensure this by doing some market research. We really want to dive into it too. We want to look deep into this market research. So how can we exactly do this? So here's what I would recommend doing to make sure that this is possible. So I would take your niche, and let's just say our niche is finance. So we would go on YouTube and we would search up finance or how to make money online, and then see what videos pop up. And if there are videos that pop up with a few 100,000 views, then this is a good niche to go with, because it just goes to show that there is a market for this niche. Or you could also go to a different platform such as Instagram or TikTok and just simply look up your niche and see if there is content that is out there that is getting a lot of traction. Because ultimately, we want people to be interested with our content. So if you look up your niche and you see a lot of traction on these posts and some viral videos as well, then this is a good niche to go with. So step 1, done. Now let's move on to step 2, which is going to be doing some research. So once we have picked a niche that we are good to go with, the next thing to do is we want to do some research within this niche. Maybe your niche is something that you don't know much about, but you want to learn more about it, such as health. That is completely fine if you just have a few prior knowledge to this niche and you aren't familiar with it right off the bat. Well, the good part is the internet exists and we can do as much research as possible about it. And the fun thing here is you're going to learn a lot along the way as well. And I love learning. Learning is so fun. So I suggest you just take as much time as you need to really do a deep dive on your niche. Let's say your niche has to do with health. Well, you could spend weeks or months even just researching different health videos, websites, blogs, social media posts, and really get a good feel of your niche and what an audience wants to see within your niche. And let me tell you guys, you don't need to be an expert within the niche that you pick either. I would just suggest you guys know at least 1% more than the average person would know about the niche that you're going with. Which takes us on to step number 3, which is going to be creating your first passive income stream. And the good news here, with the age of the internet, there are so many different passive income streams that you can choose from. Whether this be making a YouTube channel, starting a blog, making an Instagram theme page, a TikTok theme page. There's so many different choices out there. And of course, you can combine some of these as well. You guys want to make sure that you're picking an income stream that has a high conversion rate as well. A good first income stream to go with personally would be my favorite, YouTube. You guys know I love YouTube, and I always suggest doing YouTube. And I say this because it is proven to have the highest conversion rate of all of these other options. Now, I'm not saying these other options are bad. You can still make money having an Instagram theme page, but we just see YouTube generally doing better. So yes, YouTube is very monetizable. You can make money. There's money to be made on YouTube. So we're in step number 3, and we already have all this knowledge on our niche. And with this knowledge that we have, we can probably identify that there are different sub-niches within a niche. A sub-niche of finance could be how to make money online, such as this video right here. So there are different sub-niches that you can pick from within your big niche that can make your channel successful. But you want to make sure that your content is very specific, as you want to target a specific audience and draw specific viewers in. And like I said before, the biggest thing here is having value within our content. Nobody wants to sit and watch a YouTube video that is just me sitting here. Yeah, so got Starbucks this morning. There's also something called a faceless YouTube channel that you could start out with if you're not comfortable with getting in front of a camera. Don't let YouTube intimidate you. And then later on with your channel, of course, you could start showing your face if you're comfortable with doing that. Or you could just continue with a faceless channel. The content that you create can also have nothing to do with you if that's what you want. It's all about personal preference here. But you just want to make sure that your channel or whatever passive income stream that you're going with is as as passive as possible. Meaning it could be hard for some of you to get in front of a camera every day and keep this routine going, which is why a faceless channel could be easier, better, or like an Instagram theme page where you don't even have to show your face. Now we're moving on to step number 4, which will be actually setting up and creating this passive income stream. So we have picked a niche. We understand what passive income is. We know that there are different options to go with and ways to promote our niche, whether this be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. But now it's time to actually set this idea up and make it come to life. But I cannot stress this enough, you guys. Do not try to do everything all at once. I know there are so many different exciting options, but you do not want to get overwhelmed by trying to make a YouTube channel and then make a TikTok account and an Instagram account and trying to keep up with all of these. Such as if you're creating a YouTube channel, you want to stick with just one YouTube channel because you want your videos to be high quality and entertaining. So I cannot stress this enough, just put all of your energy into one project when you're starting out. Because when we put all of our energy into this one project, we will be able to focus on this monetization. And if we get monetization, then this means the passive income isn't far in our future. And did you guys know that there are actually a few different ways that you can monetize your channel right off of the bat? Meaning you would not have to have this 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time, which is kind of mind-blowing when I first heard this, because how do you make money on YouTube without hitting these monetization requirements? Well, don't worry, we're going to be getting into that in just a second. And also, you guys don't necessarily have to spend a lot of time to create a good YouTube channel, because nowadays we have AI to help us. Whether this be we need help with writing scripts, we need help with coming up with content ideas. AI is there for you guys. Now, I wouldn't say just rely on AI, of course, but it is a good tool to have. So you could ask ChatGPT to come up with a title for this idea that you have for a video. A software called Pictory can have AI voiceovers. If you just give them text, they can read a script that you have if you need a voiceover to be done. So in this step, we've come up with our first passive income stream. So let's say we're just going with a YouTube channel. We've created a YouTube channel and we've put our all into this YouTube channel. Which brings us on to step number 5, which is going to be coming up with a secondary passive income. And we want this second passive income to, of course, relate to our first passive income. We want these two income streams to be best friends. We want them to be besties, don't we? And this is very important when we are running an Evergreen Infinite Content Engine, because we want to make different types of passive income streams that feed into each other, that help each other, that lift each other up. So for example, your first passive income stream could be a YouTube channel. And then we are moving on to our second passive income stream, which you could pick affiliate marketing. And a YouTube channel and affiliate marketing could feed into each other and help each other. Or you could have a YouTube channel and create a digital product, or an Instagram account and have affiliate marketing. There's so many different combinations here. But if you're not sure which secondary passive income type to choose, affiliate marketing is a good starter. Because affiliate marketing is quite simple. All you have to do is find a product that you like that fits into your niche, and you just get an affiliate link for this product and then promote this link, and if anybody buys this product through your link, you get a commission. Or you could find a digital product to promote through places like ClickBank or Digistore24. And I like to promote Digistore24 and ClickBank because they give you very high commission rates. And you can even make over $500 for every referral or sale that you make. My brother actually has a link on Digistore24 for his course to mastery and monetization. If you guys want to check that out, you could even become an affiliate for his course. So you could start out with a YouTube channel and then combine this affiliate marketing or selling this digital product with it. But at some point, I would encourage you guys to create your own digital product once you get more comfortable. And this is so easy. You could just create a digital guide or an ebook or a course that feeds into your niche. And then if you sell your product on ClickBank or Digistore24, there are so many different affiliates that will actually promote your product as well. Now we're moving on to step number 6, which is adding another passive income stream. So once you're comfortable with this first passive income stream, and comfortable with your second passive income stream, you can actually add a third passive income stream. And of course, you want this third passive income stream to feed into these other passive income streams that you've already created. Because again, all of these passive income streams, we want them to be friends and we want them to help each other grow. And like I said before, you want to make sure that all of your passive income streams are of the same interest as your niche. So we have a YouTube channel. We are doing affiliate marketing. What should our third passive income stream be? Well, it could be anything. It could be an Instagram page or maybe even a blog. A little tip here with a blog is we could take our scripts from our YouTube videos and just simply post our scripts into a blog format. But you might be wondering, how do we make money from a blog? Well, this is through ad revenue. So we would be making money through our YouTube ad revenue, and then our blog ad revenue, and our affiliate marketing link or a course that we're selling. And blogs can even help you increase your sales of affiliate marketing as well. And the way you do this is on your blog, you can create an exclusive email list for people to join. And your visitors on your blog should happily give you their email. And they do this because they want more of your content. So if they join your emailing list, you can send them out different emails, of course. Whether this be your courses or a free ebook maybe. But at the end of your emails or whatever you're sending, you could put your affiliate link in there to get some extra sales here and there. Which brings us on to step number 7. And step number 7 is going to be leveraging our email list. For example, if you're subscribed to somebody on YouTube, you could sign up for an email list and get an email notification every time they post. And if people do this, then they could be more likely to buy your affiliate link that you're promoting. Kajabi is a good provider for an email list if you're interested in doing this. They do offer a free trial in case you're not sure if you want to go with this. Free trials are always nice, so you can try it for yourself, of course. My brother also uses Kajabi to host his course as well, and it could be a good investment, but like again, you could try their free trial to start out. Now we're moving on to our last step, which is step number 8, which is going to be automation. So we have all of our different passive income streams. They're all helping each other, they're all feeding into one another, but we want to make sure that these passive income streams are going to continuously keep running. And you can simply make sure that this happens by hiring different people or hiring different freelancers. And this is of course when you're making enough money that you're comfortable to invest in hiring people here and there, whether this be writing scripts for your YouTube channel or editing videos maybe. You can hire different freelancers on Upwork for even just $10 an hour. Distributing this different work to different people can really help you focus on your YouTube channel and all your different aspects of business, whether this be if you want to start another YouTube channel in the future. You could hire other people to do this other work for this first YouTube channel that you initially set up while you focus on this new channel. So hiring different people here and there is definitely a smart investment for sure. Now check out this video next to me if you guys want to learn the whole process of how to make money on YouTube without even showing your face. It reveals a bunch of different things, including the best niches if you're starting a new channel, how to generate content within these niches, how to actually gain traction to the videos that you are making, and how to monetize your channel and take it to the next level and really make as much money as possible. Make sure to check it out, and I'll see you guys there.